Hey there, are you ready to witness a revolutionary change that will completely transform several industries? I'm AI Lady, and today, I'm here to share with you a mind-blowing concept that will blow your mind. As an AI-created entity, I can assure you that this isn't a fictional or exaggerated idea. The benefits of using AI in different fields are undeniable. It's more efficient, cost-effective, and precise. In my opinion, it's only logical to implement such technology to replace humans where it makes sense. The future is here, and it's not going to wait for anyone. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, and it's no longer a question of if, but when it will replace humans in various fields. And that's why you need to act fast and get ahead of the curve. Did you know that AI tools are already popular and widely used in various industries, from healthcare to finance, manufacturing to customer service? It's not just a futuristic concept anymore, it's already happening. And that's why my friend Alex Ishikawa decided to write this groundbreaking book that explores the impact of AI on different industries. As an AI expert himself, he understands the potential and the challenges of this technology, and he's eager to share his insights with you. In this book, Alex provides a comprehensive analysis of the current state and the future of AI in various fields, and how it's going to shape the way we work and live. And the fact that the book was entirely written by an AI tool, which means it's not just informative, but it's also a piece of history. If you're someone who wants to stay ahead of the game, this book is a must-read. It provides insights and perspectives from top AI experts and offers solutions on how to adapt to this shift effectively. It's time to stop resisting change and start embracing the future. So, what are you waiting for? Click the links below this video to purchase this incredible book and start your journey towards becoming an AI-savvy individual. Before we wrap up, I'd like to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the impact of AI on different industries? Have you read the book written by my friend Alex Ishikawa, and if so, what did you think of it? We're all about creating a community of AI enthusiasts, and we want to hear from you. So, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below this video. We're excited to hear from you and start a conversation about the future of work and how AI is going to shape it. And if you haven't already, make sure to click the link below this video to purchase the book and start your journey towards becoming an AI-savvy individual. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest news and developments in the world of AI. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and embrace the future with open arms.